Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I welcome Mr. Saurabh sir, the founder of CopyElement with you all. So CopyElement is a tool, like it is a huge library of element blocks, right?
Right.
Predefined layouts of web pages. So if anyone is not that tech proficient, they can use it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so could you introduce yourself to our audience first and then we can talk about the tool?
Yeah, sure. Hi everyone. My name is Saurabh, and I'm the co-founder of CopyElement. I came from a background of software development and marketing, so it helped me a lot to understand products better. So, like over the past few years, I have worked with many agencies, freelancer, and startups, and eventually I found out uh, these no-code builders like Elementor have some issues, like not particularly in them, but these companies and freelancers are using this with add-on plugins and other component library, which make them more heavy. So the website performances eventually get down.
Okay.
So where the complement is born from there.
Okay, okay. So, could you share with our audience how you started your journey? I'm sure there must be an idea which you put so much hard work and then it turned out into the execution. So, kindly throw some light on that.
Yeah, so over the few past 3 4 years, we noticed two problems. Like we were building same sections and components from scratch for each website with new designs and something like that with different customizations. And the second thing we noticed that there are a lot of add-on plugins and template kits which we are using in the Elementor. So what happens? They have issues like they are performance issues. They will conflict with the Elementor itself. Like for example, there is one plugin with version XYZ, and the Elementor updates give some update about their new features. Then suddenly there are some conflict happens with different
Okay.
plugin dependencies. So to avoid that, our library is completely pure Elementor based components. So there will never be any conflict.
Okay, okay. My next question was what are the challenges you faced and you answered it here as well. So, are there any more challenges, not in this, but in the journey of copy element you faced while building copy element?
Like why we were building CopyElement. Yeah, like since we launched a couple of months ago, we have seen a lot of organic interactions without spending single money on this.
Okay, that's
So
great.
organically, it is a growing product right now, and like with these number of designs, people are actually creating their own process, which I can show you in next demo. So what were problems we were facing, like so eventually in the beginning we were like team of 3 or 4 people at that time,
Okay.
and later like building this. So right now copy element is the largest component library in the world. If you
Okay.
just search on Google largest elemental component library, like copy element will be on number one. So what happened? We promised our community and users that we will expand our components by the end of August, and the template kits also by the end of December.
But you
So
completed it.
what we did, but it was
Yeah.
actually challenging. Like going from 500 to 3,500 is a very long journey for us too. So we started hiring like experts, talented freelancers, and with them we built this huge library.
Okay. I want to congratulate you as well on hitting 300 plus product reviews on Product Hunt. And you
Yeah,
also
thank you so much.
like covered the challenge. So many congratulations. Also for the audience, could you share a quick presentation or a quick demo so the functionality is easier for the audience or the viewers to understand it? Like share your screen and just a quick demo of how copy element works and how it will benefit the non-coder, especially if they are not proficient in coding and want to build a really good web page.
I hope it's visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. We go to copy element. Okay. So this is our site. And we have lot of features. We actually rolled out few things like the change log, where whenever a new component is added, you can eventually found it here, and
Okay.
the blogs and the showcase. So
Okay.
this is a new feature. We actually launched it like 2 days ago,
Oh,
where what can happen, like this is made for community and it is absolutely free. Like what users can do, they can store their own components here. They can
okay.
add their components and they can copy from here and use it on their own website.
Okay.
So this is a community-based platform for CopyElement, and we have now components. So we have section-wise
Yes, section
categories.
wise.
Like for example, we have hero section, features and benefits, logo and carousel, and I can show you a few demos.
Yeah.
And we have videos here, how it works. So eventually, we have created everything from scratch here, like these social
It's really impressive, I have to
working
say.
hours. Then we have timeline, blocks, counters, and then a lot of them, which can be simply just copy and pasted inside the Elementor.
Okay.
So, for example, let me show you how it actually works.
Yeah.
And yeah, before that, we have a templates also.
Okay.
So templates are actually divided based on industrial categories like the business and corporate, music and events, technology,
Okay. Okay.
creative design. These can also like just click on copy button and paste it.
Oh,
Let me show you here.
that means it's very easy
This
to
my
use as well. You don't need a lot of technical knowledge to actually use it. The
Exa-
interface is very user
right.
friendly.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was going on that also. Like
Okay. Okay.
right now, like we have around uh, 60-70% are those users which are actually agency and
Okay.
business owners right now.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
like they feel it very easy to just simply copy and paste and
Yeah.
customize the website.
Okay. Okay.
So let me add a page demo. Now let's do it with Elementor. From here, just to have a clear view, let me select Elementor canvas. And yeah, from here, let's copy this page. For example, I'm an author. I wanted to have a website where I can show my book and the reviews about my books.
Okay.
So let me just copy this, and I will go back to my Elementor editor. I will right click here and just click on Control V. Now the complete page is right here. We can
Okay.
customize it all we want. Like we can change image from here. We can move it anywhere. We can change text. We
Okay.
can also add links there. Just basic elements we have. And let me show you the demo of a component here. Let's go to components. For example, we can just start with this hero section.
Okay.
Start with this. This is here, the same style. We can add as many sections we want.
Okay.
This is right here. And then we have this section. Yeah. So like this is very easy to use. Like just copy and paste it right here, and your web
Yes.
page will be created in few
Yes.
minutes.
Yes, it is definitely easy. Like I am a non-tech person and I'm able to understand it in a very good way. So I can definitely say it's easy to use.
Yeah. So like I have one case study like what I founded. So there is one agency, development agency, and they create many websites using WordPress and Elementor. So they created a process around the copy element itself.
Okay.
So like they are saving a lot of time. Like previously they were delivering 3 to 4 websites per month, and right now
Wow.
like they are delivering more than 10.
Wow.
So what I'm just giving us a simple example. This is not the current design or anything. This is a reference.
Okay.
So for example, what they have a department of three. You can say web design and development and the content.
Okay.
So what happens? Their designers use the copy element blocks, these components, and align it in their design, and then the design then customize it according to their creativity, according to customization. Like this is a wireframe sections from copy element,
Okay.
and they just edit it and customize it in their own way.
Okay.
They add their sections also, like this is the same section, but they added some images, something like that. And this is a FAQ, this is a CTA section. And now it will make very easy for the content team and development team, so that they can just simply take the component from copy element and customize it according to this design.
Okay.
So they created this workflow.
Okay. Okay. Also, the price really dropped like from to $79. So, anything you want to share about that?
Yeah, actually, in this market, we don't want to focus on like money right now. We
Okay.
wanted to expand, have some good community around the Elementor itself, because right now there is a new update coming, the V4 editor, and eventually many of users are worried about that. Like, will our CopyElement library work with V4 editor or not? So, like, I'm giving them assurance that it will actually work.
Okay.
So, yeah, and if needed, I can also share the demo, because V4 editor is still in alpha testing phase,
Yeah,
and
you
right
can
now
show.
it still work. Yeah, just give me a second.
Yes, yes.
Second, I will let me just activate the V4 editor.
So, this is sort of unboxing, sort of.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a new like editor which is introduced by Elementor itself. It
Okay.
will have a class-based framework, and yeah, so and like many of users was worried, like will it work with V4 or not? Then like for the future updates. So I'm giving them assurance, because V4 editor is something more different than the normal editor right now.
Okay.
Okay, so we have this here. Let me just publish it and refresh it. So if you just see the current design, we have started with layout with container and grids, and with the new editor, yeah. With the new editor, we have flexbox, tip blocks, heading image, SVGs. So these are the new elements which are introduced here. So
Okay.
even in the V4 editor, we can easily use any component. For example, let's go to hero section, and if I want to just this option,
Okay.
yeah, copy it, yeah, it's done.
Wow. Okay.
So our components are still like it will still be supported in V4 editor, and
Okay.
these components, the like I can actually uh, recommend using these wireframe components, because these wireframe components are actually very lightweight
Okay.
than any other customized components right now, which will eventually speed up the website load and everything.
Okay. Got it. So this is one of the things on the roadmap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not on the roadmap, like these are actually implemented right now.
Okay.
So like before, like we already released this update, like before editor will support all the copy element components without any
Okay.
issue.
Okay. So you want to share any more features that are on the roadmap for the
Yeah,
audience?
eventually, we are working on like an extension we don't want to add any plugin in our roadmap because
Okay.
our main agenda is to create CopyElement a plugin free component library. We don't want users to just install our plugin and add components from there.
Okay.
That's why we are going with the extension. So what people can do is just simply click on extension. Library will be open here, and they can just simply copy and paste it right here without
Okay.
going to other website.
Okay. Got it. Okay. So if I ask you, like your vision from 5 years from now, so where do you see Copy Element? How many users using it? How many people benefiting from it?
Okay, about my vision.
Yes.
Uh, what I actually learned and see, like, I wanted to believe, like, eventually, I wanted to have all the agencies, freelancer, and Elementor users to have a habit of using Copy Element. Like, for example, if I'm a web designer, Figma is my habit.
Okay.
Then, if I'm an Elementor developer, Elementor website developer, then I would have a habit of using Copy Element.
Okay.
That want a habit I wanted to create.
Okay. So in daily routine, Copy Element should be there. That is your vision 5 years from now on, from for every user.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, okay. So I'm sure there must be competitors as well of this tool, Copy Element. So what is the USP, like the one thing that makes it stand out from the others, and like it's the differentiator? You should get Copy Element only and not any other tool. The USP. Is there any feature like that?
Right. Yeah, right now it is the largest one because if you go to any other competitor, like I can say the number, there are three competitors we have.
Okay.
One is still not launched completely.
Okay.
They have around 16, 17 components right now.
Okay.
Other one have around 1,000 components, but they are all wireframe.
Okay.
And the third one, it's kind of wireframe only, and I haven't seen them. Like they actually closed their website right now
Okay. Okay.
completely. So like we actually developed this so fast and we scaled our library so efficiently in past 3 months. So this is giving a better advantage over the others. And also like they like if I'm telling about that wireframe component library for Elementor, which also have the same feature of copy paste, it has only 32 to 40 components in their free section.
Okay.
And we are currently providing more than 200 free components right now to
Okay.
users. So eventually, if you are not going to take any subscription from us, it is fine. Just use free component, and we also like remove any sign up option for using the free component. So users
Okay.
can just simply copy and paste without have to log in the account.
Okay. So it's easier to use as well in this case. Okay.
Exactly.
Also, there are few questions from our audiences. Two of them. Can I quickly ask you?
Yes.
So, one person asked, how is it different from any other AI website builder tools?
CopyElement is exactly a library. So we don't have any option of like AI will create any website, something like that. So this is a complete different questions. Like AI builders create their website. Elementor itself has a AI,
Okay.
but what happens? It actually creates the wireframe. So it doesn't make any difference from us. We have the customized components, style components, and wireframes also. So, like if you want to use AI, it will give you the code for the static side. If you are using CopyElement, it will give you component for Elementor only. So these are two different frameworks which are currently going right now.
Okay, okay. And another question is, are there any limitations while using Copy Element?
There isn't any limitations right now. Like there are few components which actually require Elementor Pro,
Okay.
and eventually people have knowledge like how they can get Elementor Pro these days. So it doesn't is a major concern right now.
Okay, okay. So I'll quickly sum up, and what are the one thing you want to say to any user out there who needs Copy Element and who should use Copy Element? What is that one thing you want to say to them?
Just use copy elements, save lot of hours, and deliver faster websites. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Saurabh. It was really good talking to you. I wish you all the best. And in the
Thank
comment
you.
section, if you have any queries, you can ask. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.